In my home, there's no room for stress because I need to be totally relaxed now to go the distance tomorrow. That's why I unwind myself completely after work. I immerse myself in the soothing power of shower. So relaxing that it's like having a hot spring at home to be enjoyed every day. The innovative combination of water and bubbles creates a surreal experience of being refreshed and rejuvenated. I desire the embodiment of style and technology that reflects my distinctive taste and rejuvenates me from the inside out. With a host of advanced safety features, I can now truly relax, renew, and re-energize with absolute peace of mind. Panasonic Home Shower, the masterpiece of home showers.
Panasonic,